Hello, welcome to Joe's Kitchenette, Andhra to America. Today I am going to present you one of my favorite recipe, mushroom stuffed omelette. It's a dietary recipe, so don't miss it. For ingredients, you can check the description given below. Now let's get started. Take a skillet, heat up about 1 inch or 40 to 50 grams of butter. Salt it well. Now butter got heated and melted nicely. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of jeera. Saute it well for about a minute or two until it gets an aromatic smell. Now we are going to add half finely chopped onion. Saute it well for a minute until the onions turns to brown color. Now it's time to add half an inch finely chopped ginger and 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. Saute it well for about 2 to 3 minutes. For any of your dietary recipes, try to add more ginger and more garlic because it really helps you in burning fat. Now it cooked well. Now it's time to add bell pepper. I am taking half a cup of finely chopped bell pepper. Now it's time to add about a tablespoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of chili powder and pepper powder. Saute it well for about a minute and add some salt. Allow it to cook for a minute and it's time to add mushrooms. You can take brown or white mushroom, whichever you would like to have. Saute it well for about 2 to 3 minutes and add some water and keep a lid on it. Allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes. Now take 6 raw eggs and 1 tablespoon of salt. Beat it really well for about a minute. Now keep it aside and take a pan, spread butter across and pour half of the blended eggs. Now tilt the pan around to spread the eggs. Sprinkle some pepper powder on it. Wait for a minute. Now you can see the egg really cooked well. Now from the edges, push it to the center and turn the egg. You can see that the egg really got thickened. If you want, you can add the filling at this stage also. Now turn the egg on the other side. Now it's ready for filling. Spread about 2 to 3 spoons of cooked mushroom in the middle of the omelette as I do. Now garnish with some chopped coriander leaf and some cheese. Here I am adding shredded cheese. If you want, you can add sliced also. The amount of cheese depends on you. If you add more, it will enhance the taste. Now it's ready. Carefully fold both of the sides to the center. It's ready for serving. Garnish with some dressing, chili sauce and coriander leaves. Yummy yummy mushroom stuffed egg omelette ready. If you like my recipe, please share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.